Oh, thank you. All right, who's the attorney? Oh, Mr. Cox. I still can't believe this. Can you believe this?
Just talking. I don't know how you feel.
So you know what? It's gonna come around, right? Court is calling 2025 CR 012-083 State versus Jessica Scott. Can I have parties announced?
Lauren Espinoza for the state.
Really, it's possible to defend it.
And are you Miss Scott?
Yes, I am.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Scott, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
What do you mean indictment?
It tells you what you're charged with.
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Cox,
Thank you.
did you review the court admonishment? It tells you your rights and the plea bargain agreement. All right, you're charged with theft of property, $2,500 to $30,000. That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for in, I'm
Isn't
sorry,
this a state jail?
yes, it's a
facility?
state jail felony.
But is this a state jail facility?
Yes, it's a state jail felony. So that, you want to explain that to her?
You're not feeling so.
You understand now, I believe you.
All right, did you understand you're charged with the state jail felony? The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Scott, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and reentry. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 6 months in the Bexar County Jail. Under 1244, there's an $800 fine. State will take in consideration 2025 CC 009934. There's to be restitution, if any, to Avis budget group. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, sir.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, I do.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the offense is charged, how do you plead?
No contest.
State any evidence.
Yes, Your Honor. State offers State's Exhibit 1 in all attachments.
No objection.
All right, state two may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, I did.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. After reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Just ask the court to, follow the.
Right, why are you doing this?
I'm not doing anything.
No, why did you take a vehicle that didn't belong to you and damage the mirror and the roof? Because that's within the stipulation.
I left the car in the parking lot.
Well, according to the stipulations, the amount of restitution that you owe. Let me find it.
And I think that includes the tires.
Mhm.
So she understands that, but it's just, no contest. She taking responsibility for action.
All right, the court is going to sentence you to 6 months in the Bear County Jail. Credit for any time served, there is an $800 fine. Time and money will run concurrent. Take in consideration 2025 CC 009934. There's to be restitution to Avis Budget Group in the amount of $950. There's to be no contact with Avis Budget. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, I did.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
Thank you,
Who's-
Judge.
Thank
You're
you so
welcome. Have a
much.
good one. You're welcome. Who's next? Is this a special division?
No,
Okay. All right, so where are we on discovery?
Judge, the state is preparing a CPS release, and then also there's some new discovery that has not been disclosed.
All right, so the last time we were here, I signed a protective order for CPS records. Is there some new CPS records?
I haven't gotten them yet.
Because I've already signed the protective order.
It looks like they are received. I'm assuming they just need to be disclosed, so
All
make
right,
sure that he does have.
because I signed a protective order twice. So, state, were you able to tender an offer?
It looks like Ms. Jones was attempting to do so. I'll make sure that before today is done, the defense receives an offer.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, can you put this for a plea deadline date for our last week in November, please? All right, November 20th would be your plea deadline date. On that date, you need to let the court know whether or not you've reached an agreement. If you have not reached an agreement, your next setting will be a jury trial date. And counsel, if you can discuss with him jury trial or a bench trial.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you for dressing appropriate for court. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused. Who's next? What page? Good morning. So what happened?
Just a cut.
Okay. All right. So do we have an update on the evaluation?
Yes, Judge, the evaluation is back. He's been declared competent.
Okay.
I've had some discussions with him. I feel he's competent at this time. I believe I've got everything that's in Veripic on this
Mhm.
case. I have not viewed or looked at everything yet because it's massive. But I do think I have all the discovery now. So I'll start reviewing that. If there are any holes, I'll let the court know about that. But I think the case is proceeding. I've talked with Melissa this morning. She's also getting her feet on the deck on this case because she just transferred in.
All right. So you all are going to have to confer off docket on an offer if you have not tendered an offer.
I don't know if one was conveyed before I got here, but I haven't.
Okay. So you all need to do that off docket. And Ms. Ferguson, if you can put this for a plea deadline date, the last week we're here in December. All right, December 16 is going to be your plea deadline date. On that date, you need to let the court know whether you reached an agreement. If you have not, your next setting will be a jury trial date, and that jury trial will be in the new year. And counsel, if you can, if it is going to be a trial, if you'll confer with your client about bench trial as opposed to jury trial.
Will do, Judge.
All right, thank you. Is there anything else, counsel?
No, you are.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Hello. All right, so what are we going to be doing with this case?
So we spoke with the family. I believe we're going towards contestant NTR where we wrap the cases up that way. Rather than filing it.
Okay, all right. Ms. Ferguson, can you state when will you be ready on a contested hearing on Mr. Lampkin? All right, if you'll give me a 2-week reset, and are parties okay with witnesses appearing by Zoom?
Yes, Your Honor. We are going to be in trial, in both Bear and Kendall over the next 2 weeks. Would it be possible to have a date closer to 3 or 4 weeks now?
State,
Yes.
defense say they will be in trial in 2 weeks in another county, Bear County, and then someplace out of county. Are you okay with moving it to 3 weeks out?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. All right, Ms. Ferguson, a 3-week reset for contested hearing?
Well, we're gonna say day 3.
Yes.
We're gonna be doing our mistrial for punishment in the 290th on the 17th. So I think the 20th would be best for us.
All right, November 20th. Yes. All right, so continue taking your medications, following the doctor's orders. You understand? All right, and listen to your grandfather. And counsel, I believe everything has been signed.
I don't believe so, Judge. We just have the motions to allow him to go trick or treating with his family around his neighborhood.
All right,
State is opposed.
all right. State, do you want to be heard on the defense's request?
Or, oh, the trick or treating,
Mhm.
Judge, I mean, we're not in agreement on that, but.
Do you need a hearing?
No,
or-
you could just notate that.
All right, so this is what I'm going to say, and I know the state is aware of this. Because of his mental health issues, he's always with his grandfather, and if his grandfather is going to be out of the house, it's best for his mental health, and the court is going to find it best for the safety of the community that he is with his grandfather. So, could I have the grandfather come up, please? All right. Sir, I know that, good morning. I know that you're responsible for other people in your household as well. With regard, you're responsible for him.
Yes.
All right. So with regards to this, going to different neighborhoods for trick or treating, why is that needed for him?
It's only because where the relatives live, one uncle lives in Camelot.
Mhm.
And then we go by the church on Judson Road.
Mhm.
And so they do that trunk or treat.
Mhm.
And so we go to the church and then we go to where his uncle is in Camelot. So it's about like 30 minutes away.
Mhm.
And then there'd be all the little kids and stuff like that, you know.
Okay, so why does he need to go? That's what I'm trying to figure out.
Oh, because the family all goes together. And like,
Ah,
you know, like the church has that hayride thing
yes.
where you sit on it and. they pull
Okay,
it.
I understand now. I thought that you're taking him, because sometimes I see adults trick or treating and they don't have a child with them, and I'm like, come on, this is not for you. But now I understand.
And plus, Your Honor, there's a new, he's an uncle, there's a new grandbaby.
Mhm.
A 1-year-old now. So it'll be his first year for Halloween and stuff. So
Okay,
that's all.
all right. So are you dressing? for the festivities?
Am
Be
I?
in a costume.
Oh, no, I'm just going as my old military style look.
Oh, okay. All right. I'm always interested in what people will be wearing. So State, I understand your objections, but I also,
Your Honor, I went as a sheik,
when as a what?
SHEIK, and
Ah,
I had two ladies go with me, kind of the sheik and him. Oh, I just thought I'd tell you that.
okay.
That's,
Right.
I'm sorry, oh, too much.
Yeah. All right. So this is what I'll do. I understand his mental health issues. And because we've had so many hearings with him before with probation, and we've had previous input from his doctor, I understand this is what he needs to maintain his mental health. So I will grant it. However, he can only do this if you are present.
Oh, yes, I'll be present.
All right. So if you all will add that and I will sign it.
Thank you, Judge.
All right. And then Ms. Ferguson, if you'll have a seat, Ms. Ferguson will give the reset form and once you sign that, you'll be excused.
Thank you, Judge.
Yes, just have a seat. Yes. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.